from outer space. I was walking to find you inside a second upon her face. I should have done it to the love. I should have made a bigger key. Let it over just 1 second. Get me back to butter me. Go, love, love. Walk out.
Ikaw na, Junie!
Junie, recite mo na.
Ikaw na, Yay!
Make you wanna try to hurt me with goodbye.
I'll stop loving you. As a friend. As a friend.
Sa mga ano?
Kasi kay JC.
Oo, galing kay Jace. Sige na, go!
I'll stop loving you when diamonds never sparkle and flowers cease to grow.
Dali! Ay, pa-recite nyo na! Hoy, grabe! O, dali na, recite mo na.
Eh, di mga sipon.
Nakikinig si Junie.
Ay, pwede mga sipon.
Go! Dali na, Junie's listening.
Junie is waiting.
When thunders never echoes and rivers don't flow. When the hearts no longer wonder and the hearts are never...
Dali na! Dali na!
JC, ay! Naaway ako!
Wala dito si JC. Ha?
Tugurin kayo nun.
Dali na.
And hope is never felt when trees... Ulitin ko na lang.
O, sige na, ulitin na. Dali na.
When trees no longer blossom and stars never...
Harap ka kay Junie.
At when
Junie, harapin mo.
alone commands me, then I'll stop loving you. Junie, as a friend lang yan para siya, para kay Jace.
Yay!
Mag-rap ka nga, hindi mo nag-rap?
Pinagtamani ka.
Interview naman. Sige, interview.
Sabi na narapin yan pa ako nag-jacket mo.
Uwi na ako. Uwi na ako.